To install the protective mat, the first thing we'll do is measure the width and the depth of our cabinet. Then we'll transfer those dimensions to the back side of the mat, marking with a pencil. Note that the front edge of the mat is the undimpled portion. Next, we're going to draw a cutting line with a straight edge. Then, using that straight edge as a guide, we'll score the back side of the mat with a utility knife. Lay the cut line over a sharp edge, like a countertop or table edge, and bend down. Then bend back up. It should snap apart cleanly. No adhesive is required, and your mat should stay in place. Keep in mind that you can install accessories directly on top of the mat. We hope you found this Hafele video helpful. Good luck with your installation, and thanks for watching.